Watch this video and learn how to draw a flying saucer spaceship.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. That was a nice greeting.
Yeah,
You're in a good mood.
Artie in a very good mood.
Well, I'm very pleased. You know what we should do?
Yeah,
We should make some art.
yay! Artie make art.
That's right.
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Artie. Artie. Hi. Artie,
Yeah,
are you ready to begin?
okay.
Let's start the drawing.
I'm so excited to see what Artie's going to do today.
Me too, Betty.
Well, today, guys, Artie's going to draw a flying saucer. Let's start by drawing a large top half of a circle in the middle of the page. That's perfect. Let's connect the two lines with a straight line across. After you finish this drawing, Artie, we can go into the backyard, look up at the sky, and see if we can see any flying saucers. Draw two little hook shapes, one on the left and one on the right. Now connect those two hooks with a line going all the way across. Wonderful! If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Let's draw an angled line on the left side and another one on the right side. You're really concentrating, Artie. Draw another little hook on the end of the left line and also one on the end of the right line.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Now we're going to draw a big curved line from the left side all the way across to the right side. Great job, Artie. Now let's do the same again, from the bottom of the hook all the way across to the bottom of the right side.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Now we'll draw another half circle, this time upside down. It's looking good. Shape break? You want a shape break? Okay, let's go and see Louie and learn about a shape.
Well, hello, little artists, and welcome to today's shape break. I'm Louie, and I'm going to teach you about this shape right here. Do you know what it is? No, it's not a circle, but it's kind of made from a circle, really. It's called an oval. Some people call it an ellipse. Ellipse or oval. I prefer oval. And it's made basically by getting a circle and squashing it into the shape. You see, it's a squashed circle, really. Now, let's think of some things that are this shaped. Well, we've got an egg. Egg is oval. American football, where, let's see, that's this one here. That's an oval shape. Perhaps watermelon here. That's also oval. And a balloon. I do like balloons. What did the balloon say to his friend? He said, "I'm the king of pop." Get it? Because balloons pop. Okay, never mind. I'm a balloonatic. Balloonatic. Anyway, oval. Okay. Is it time for a break?
Great shape break. Let's carry on with the drawing now, Artie.
Okay.
It's nearly finished. Let's draw some legs underneath the flying saucer. This can be done very simply. Just a triangle on the left and a triangle on the right. And you're done. As Louis taught us all about oval shapes, let's draw some ovals on the side of our flying saucer. Let's draw 5 ovals in total, going all the way across the side of the flying saucer.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
2 more to go, Artie. Great job, Artie. Perfect examples of ovals. Now something is missing. Oh, that's right. Let's draw 2 antennae sticking out of the top. Draw 2 straight lines with a circle at the end. I think that looks pretty finished, Artie. What do you think? Finished! You did a great job, Artie, but it really does need some colour. Are you ready to colour it in? Yeah!
Artie, kid, that looks fine. Now color it in, but stay in the line.
Are you finished, Artie? You're finished? Awesome. It looks so good. You did a great job.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. For now, it's bye-bye.